Hi guys, I'm Amy.
I'm Brittany.
From Postech team. Today we answer a question that a lot of people asking us on our website.
Like, can our piles be installed in rock?
So let's go.
Hey Rob, people want to know, can Postech piles be installed in rock?
That's a yes and no question. Yes, we do install in rock and provide you a stable foundation, but it's not typically the helical pile configuration. It's not a typical pile. So we use two different base mount systems for drilling, pinning, and epoxying into the bedrock to provide you a stable foundation.